Got a minute? Let's talk about your home insurance coverage. Could you rebuild if a tornado or fire destroyed your home? Experts say half of all homes might not have enough insurance. Your rebuilding cost is not the same as your home's market value. Rebuilding cost is based on the kind of home you have and local construction costs. Sometimes this is called the replacement cost. Your insurance agent can help you find out your home's rebuilding cost. Check your policy limits on the front page of your insurance policy or ask your agent. If the amount is lower than the estimate to rebuild, you may need to make some changes. Also, check the coverage when you renew your policy each year. Tell your agent if you remodel or make upgrades. A new deck, garage, or kitchen could increase the cost to rebuild. Remember, insurance companies charge different rates. If your company is raising your premium, consider shopping for a better deal. If you have insurance questions, call our helpline or visit our website.